Hello and good evening, ZERA moms. Welcome. So today we have ZERA Talks for October 2023 edition. So can you say hi and comment down below if you are here with us tonight? Hi guys. Can I have a hello there? Hello guys. I can see Farah Aida there, Celine Fong tagging some of her friends, Ali Mokhtar, hello. So tonight we'll be talking about eczema, understanding and managing the itch. So if you feel like this topic resonates with you or one of your mom friends, feel free to share this live with them because obviously we're gonna get up close and personal with how to handle eczema in babies. So before I forget, my name is Shuhada, your host for tonight. You might as well know me from Instagram Iris Sukamakan. And give us lots of thumbs up tonight. Can I see you guys saying hello? Hi guys. Hello, Izati Fatima. Hi, great energy we have tonight. So in case you guys are new here, ZERA Mom is basically an online platform for new mothers going through pregnancy and motherhood journey. So ZERA provide, hello, Izati Fatima. So ZERA provide bite-sized educational posts to ease mothers like you and me throughout our motherhood journey. So if you haven't follow us on Instagram yet, you can follow ZERA Mom Official on Instagram and Facebook to get more on that exciting stuff. Okay, so I mentioned earlier this topic for today is eczema, understanding and managing the itch. So if you have any questions, if you are experiencing eczema yourself or your daughter and son is experiencing eczema flare up, you can put the questions that you want to ask our guest experts down below on the comment box section, and you might get your answer by the end of this live. Hello Zura, hello Norwazini, hello everyone. So do remember to also like and share, even tag your mom friends, because the more the merrier. So we will open up the floor to an open discussion with our guest expert and our guest of honor, and of course for you guys. And you have to stay tuned because we have a lot of pop quizzes. Yes, already, Azati. Yes, we're so excited for today. We have a lot of freebies to give for today. So if you stay tuned up until the end of this live, we will have lots of pop quizzes for you. Pop quizzes for you, and you can win. And you can stand a chance to win some of Butts Organics products. Okay, in case you're still clueless, what is a ZERA Mom and what does ZERA offer for us mom? I know, Hazira, I love Iris. Thank you so much. Okay, in case you are wondering what is ZERA Mom, so ZERA Mom is running a personalized sample subscription. It's called ZERA Petite. So I have the pouches here. So this pouches for every single month is just RM8 per subscription. So you will get 4 different samples every single month depending on what you want. So the sample varies from lactation cookies, like maternity products, or if you are looking for products for your baby, you want to try first a sample before buying it, you can absolutely purchase this with just 8 ringgit. It's free sample. It's all including the postage, and you will get free sample every single month up until 5th. So if you want that, you can go to their website, zeramom.com, to know more. Okay, you can get one of these cool pouches. I have a lot of them. I look like a hoarder, but their samples are really good, especially one of their Butts product for tonight. We are featuring the Butts product. I have 4 of them today from their eczema set. So I have 4 of these. After this, I will tell you more on this. Don't go anywhere because we have lots of exciting things today. And especially for today, we have a surprise. If you guys want to know what is the surprise, stay tuned up until the end because we will be talking more on this product and also how to handle eczema in babies. Yes, you have a lot of ZERA pouches. Wow, we have a lot of ZERA subscribers here. Thank you so much, Izati, for subscribing to ZERA. So tonight, ZERA Talk is brought to you by Buds Organics Eczema and Sensitive Skin Range. So we have 4 of these in their box of Buds Organic Eczema and Sensitive Skin Range. It's super suitable, it's super soothing and suitable for eczema babies, sensitive skin babies, or even adults. I even tried one of their super soothing and intensive repair cream on my knee because I also have eczema. Recently, my eczema had been flaring up, and this is the magic. So if you want to win this set, don't forget to join the giveaway contest as we are giving away not 1 but 2 sets of ZERA Care Box with all of these freebies inside. So if you guys want this, don't forget to stay tuned up until the end of this live. Okay, you have to share this live out to be eligible, and there will be live giveaways. Good topic, because my baby have eczema on her leg. Yes, Erin, very good for you to join tonight's topic because we are going to go deep into eczema and how to help combat this. Okay, so if you want to know how to win this freebies, it's really simple. You can win the ZERA Care Box with 3 simple steps you can see on the screen. First, you have to like or follow ZERA Mom Official and Buds Organics on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget both of their Instagram in Facebook. And then you have to tag your friends in the post. You have to tag 2 of your friends in the giveaway post. You have the link in the description box down below. And don't forget to tag your friends and share this live to them, because the more you share, the more chances of you are winning. So 2 of your friends tag per comment is for 1 entry. So you can tag as much as a friend, because 1 comment is eligible for 1 entry. And you have unlimited entries, okay? You can comment as much as you want to increase your chances of winning. Okay, you can refer to the description box for more information. So this contest will end 11th of October 2023 at 11:59 p.m. So at midnight it will end. So you can join and comment on their Facebook and Instagram to stand a chance to win these cool prizes in the ZERA Care Box. Okay, don't go anywhere, because we will be having 3 pop quizzes during this live session. That means 3 chances of winning special mystery gift. Okay, tag your friends. Yes, Zura Azul, tag your friends, everyone that you might feel like this live is suitable for them. Yes. You're welcome, Hasana. Thank you so much for being here with us tonight. Okay, don't go anywhere. We will have the pop quiz up until the end of this live. You have to share this live out and wait for the cue to answer the pop quiz. So winners will be able to take home mystery gift by Buds Super Soothing Organics. I have 4 of them here, so make sure you pay close attention to the info we are putting out tonight, because that might be the clue to our pop quiz. I might be seeing the clue already right now. You might have the answer already. Okay, so tonight's special in collaboration with Buds Organic. Yes, because just now I'm telling you there's a surprise. So the surprise for tonight is you can redeem a set of super soothing mini pack worth 69 ringgit 30 cents for free. Okay, you can see the pop out there. You have to scan the QR code to get 2 of their products, which is the Buds Super Soothing Organic Cleanser and the Rescue Lotion over here. The worth is 69 ringgit 30 cents. It's only valid for 24 hours. So if you want to redeem it for free, you have to scan the QR code. Can you see that? The QR code? If you want this freebies, scan the QR code now. And it's only valid for 24 hours. After 24 hours tomorrow, it will not be available for free. So don't forget this. Scan that. Okay, Zura, Izati, scan that if you want the freebies. This is all for free. 2 of these are for free. You can get this. Oh, sorry. Okay. Yes, done filling the Google form. Good job. You get this freebies. I love freebies also. Okay. Now we're gonna talk about the products for today, which is the Buds Super Soothing Organics, which is suitable for eczema babies. So they have 4 of them. This one is the Super Soothing Hydrating Cleanser. I'm so sorry, my lighting. So this one is cleanser. Okay, I need to wash it up. But basically, the cleanser, it doesn't dry up the skin. So if you, as you can see, it's a translucent. It doesn't dry out the skin. After you know, some cleanser, after you wash the cleanser away, it will dry up the skin. It will strip away the oil, the natural oil on your skin. But this one, it doesn't strip out the oil. Because I also have very dry skin. I have combination skin. And this one, when I try it on my skin, it doesn't dry up. It doesn't make me look, berkedut-kedut and everything. It is really, moisturizing as is. You don't need to put any lotion. It's already good. Okay? So you just use it as usual. This is a cleanser. You can get this sample for free also on ZERA. If you subscribe to ZERA Petite, you might stand a chance to get this as a free sample, or you can just scan the QR code on the top left to redeem this for free. You can get this for free. This, okay? So another product is we have I think we better try the lotion first. Okay, this too is provided if you redeem it for free. You can redeem it for free with the QR code there, and you can get these 2 products. So this one is a Super Soothing Rescue Lotion. So how it works is you can wear this on the whole body. It means it works as a lotion, as a normal lotion, but it is suitable for eczema babies and dry skin. So if your baby have dry skin and very sensitive skin, it doesn't matter if your baby have eczema or not. This is suitable for both eczema and also dry skin baby. They have a lot of range under them. They're all natural, safe, mild, effective with organic certification by EcoCert. Okay, it's proven to have no harmful chemical. So it's syrup free. This is one of the range that is syrup free. All products from Buds are syrup free and EcoCert certified. It's natural, safe, mild, and effective. Okay, so this one you can use it on a daily basis because it's a lotion. So you can buy this also, or you can try this for free by subscribing to ZERA Petite. And we have 2 of these. We have the Super Soothing Intensive Repair Cream. So how does this work is, if you have sometimes you have eczema flare up at certain region of your body. Because recently I have eczema flare up on my knee. So I just put it a really thin layer. Oh, so sorry. A really thin layer on my knee, the one that is affected by the eczema flare up. And you just wait for it to soothe your skin. It's really good. Also EcoCert certified. And I don't know how to say it. It's not oily. It's a cream, but it's not oily. It's not thick. It doesn't suffocate your skin. So it's definitely good if you have baby that, babies always sweat. But this one, I don't think they will sweat in this. This is so good. You can check out Buds Organic today on their Instagram and also Facebook for more info on this. Look, you can see. It doesn't look oily at all. I already put this. And another one, we have the Super Soothing Deep Moisturizing Cream. So the difference with the lotion, okay, this one is just soothe, repair dry skin, sensitive and irritated skin. So if you have super dry skin, you should try this one because it intensely moisturizes and soothe your skin. This one is also suitable for you to put on your whole body. While this one, the repair cream, is only for targeted area where you have the eczema flare-up. And if you want to win 4 of these, you should stay tuned up until the end, because if you get the answer correctly for the pop quiz, you will get these freebies. Okay, special for tonight, as usual, if you are interested in trying the Buds Organic Super Soothing Rescue Lotion and the cleanser, you can redeem for free on the QR code on the top left. Okay, please note that this offer is only redeemable for 24 hours until tomorrow at 8 p.m. So the QR code on the top left, you can see that it will be available throughout the live, and you can tag your friends, comment down below, and Please, please. This is free. You guys should redeem it. This is unlimited freebies. Okay, you can scan the QR code. You can call your friends, tag your friends on this live, and they will get this for free as well. Two of these products for free. Okay, are you ready for the pop quiz? If you're ready, can you comment? I'm ready. Oh, Maureen Lam, you're ready for the pop quiz? Yes, cepat redeem the Buds Organic. It's free. It's free. Two of the products are to grab for free. Okay, now we are going on to our first pop quiz. Which certification body is Buds Organic certified with? A. USDA Organic, B. EcoCert, or C. Australian Certified Organic? There will only be one answer. Which one is it? If you pay close attention to my previous talk, you will know which one is it. Oh, some answer A, some answer B, some answer A and B. Which one is it? A, USDA Organic. Chelsea said A. Rachel Poon said B. Do we have a winner for tonight? Oh, Zura Azu also answered A. Zati Fatima B. So which one is it? Do we have the winner for tonight? I think we're still looking for a winner. Okay, we have the winner for tonight. We have Ezati Fatima. Congratulations, Ezati. You have won a set of ZERA Care Box with all these Buds Organic products. Congratulations, Ezati Fatima. Congratulations. Yes. Don't worry, if you don't win this pop quiz, you have to wait up until the end of the live because we have two more pop quiz and you can stand a chance to win this set from Buds Organic. Congratulations, Ezati Fatima. My line is slow. It's okay. We have two more pop quizzes. Don't worry. And we also have the giveaway going on contest. So if you guys don't win this first one, don't worry. We will be having more pop quizzes up until the end of this live. Okay, so our new concept for ZERA Talk is a bit more chillax because it's a weekend and honestly we're moms and we're tired. So just sit down and relax. If you have any questions, you can just type in the comment box down below and we can discuss them together. Okay, let's get on to our guest of the night. Firstly, we have our guest expert, Dr. Alvin Pung, Consultant Paediatrician, or you can check him on Instagram, Dr. Pung. Can we bring Dr. Alvin here?
Hello, hi, Shahaba. Good evening.
Hi, how are you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, that's good.
You can introduce yourself to the audience.
Yeah. So good evening to all the daddies and mummies on ZERA Mom. My name is Dr. Alvin. I'm from Dr. Alvin Baby and Child Specialist Clinic in Cheras, KL. So thank you, ZERA Mom, for bringing me here once again. Today we are going to talk about one of the commonest skin condition in children, which is eczema. So we're quite excited about it as well.
Thank you so much, Dr. Alvin, for being here with us tonight. Okay, we're going to move on to our second guest of honor. We have Mrs. Damira Atika Abdul Halim, mother of 3, or you guys might know her from the Instagram Umi Today. Can we bring Damira in? Hi, Damira.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
Yeah, good. Looking good tonight. So can you introduce yourself to the audience?
All right, so my name is Damira and I have 3 girls. I just got one go.
Oh, congratulations.
Congratulations.
And 2 of my girls have eczema. So I've been dealing with eczema for like about 4 years, but I can see that the journey got better and I've learned a lot throughout this journey.
Thank you so much, Damira, for being here with us as well. So, as we all know, the topic for tonight will be about eczema in babies, understanding and managing the itch. So, before we dive further into this, can we have Dr. Alvin to explain to us on what is eczema and where does eczema come from?
Yeah, I think we will start with. I think this is a very good starting to know about eczemas, because I think that by knowing it, the definitions, then we will likely know how to treat eczema correctly, or to deal with it or prevent it correctly. So eczema is a skin condition that always causes skin to become dry, itchy, and bumpy, and this is because the condition weakens the skin barrier function. So we understand that the skin barrier function is important to keep the skin moisture, and also to prevent the invasion of foreign things into the skin. So that's why if a child who has eczema, the skin barrier function was broken, thus it is caused dryness. The moisture couldn't be kept. So because of the skin barrier function is faulty as well, so the invasion of things like bacteria, virus, fungus, or even heat, different irritants like dust and might cause flare out of the eczema. So it is important for us to understand this definition. That is why the child is always having dry skin and a recurrent flare out due to all these irritants. And comes to the second question, where is it comes about? Then we, from what we understand so far in medicine, we understand that eczema is a lot of times dealing with genetics. We understand that there's more and more discovery findings that some gene defect causing loss of skin barrier function. That is why it is inborn. And of course, some are environmental factors. Sometimes you know that our living environment, there's a lot of irritants that actually can flare out eczemas. And also because of all these irritants, it causes activation of our immune response and causing inflammation in the skin. So these are the two main causes, the environmental causes, the other one is genetic cause. Yeah.
Oh, that's good to know, because my father have eczema, but for me, I had eczema a bit late, which is during my university days, which I don't even know I have eczema until I met the doctor and they said, "Oh, you have eczema. Does your father have it or your mother have it?" And then I told him, "I do have. My father does have it, but I don't know I have it up until now." And he said, "Because it depends on what kind of irritants trigger you, because sometimes all this while your whole life you don't have the irritants triggering you, but now you have your immune response is responding to that irritant." So we're talking about genetics, right, Dr. Alvin, that eczema is genetics. Is it possible that even though it's genetic, it is avoidable not to get eczema in our babies, even though?
So, like what you have mentioned, a very correct point, whereby if you have parents or your siblings who has allergies or eczemas, you are prone to get eczema as well. That's because run in the gene. So, to avoid it is basically to avoid the irritants. So if you manage to avoid the irritants, then there won't be a flare out. But to say that also, because it is inborn with genetics, that's in the body, so it is somehow quite difficult to actually eliminate it.
Thank you so much, Dr. Alvin. Okay, if you guys have any more questions for Dr. Alvin or even Puan Damira, you can comment on the comment box and we will try to answer it for you. So we have one question from one of our audience just now. "Hi doctor, my baby have eczema on her ankle and last time it lead till the ankle swollen, I think, and have to be admitted. So the doctor gave Elomet, an ointment to take home. So question, how long we can use this medicine for?" So this question is from Erin Lizan.
This baby definitely has suffered from one of the complications of eczema. Like I say, the eczema is because the skin barrier function has broken. So it's always easy to get infection by bacteria or viruses. So if you have a flare due to the infection, you have to treat the infection. Subsequently, of course, like I say, this is due to skin inflammation. So in the quite bad, in the severe condition, you likely need some steroids helps to reduce the inflammation. So how long does it need? Usually until you see the flare has gone down. We are talking about maybe a 5 days to a week time, then followed by some maintenance and to off it eventually. That is why in such cases, if you think that the eczema is quite bad, you probably need to follow up with the doctors to get information from doctors when to stop the steroids.
Thank you so much, Dr. Alvin. Okay, I have a question. We have a question for Damira. So you have been dealing with eczema in both of your children, right?
Yeah.
So how do you combat that whenever your child have eczema flare up? You know, some parents opt to delay introducing highly allergenic food, while some prefer to just cut away from their diet. But how do you do it on your end?
So throughout my eczema journey, I learned that, like what Dr. Alvin said, one is because of the weak skin barrier. Another one is also because of the immunity system, right? So I believe that when it comes to eczema, we also need to take care of our diet, right? So to boost the immunity system in general. So what I do is that the good thing is we are being more conscious of our food. Like for example, we try to minimize processed food, especially when there's a flare up. Yeah, so when there's a flare up, I don't give them ice cream or candy. And then at the same time, I'll try to add more healthy food to their diet. And recently, when I was having my second child, I learned from a sensei bangsa that goji berry and red dates is actually good for the immunity, right? And it's not only for moms in postpartum, but it's actually good for anybody else as well. So I tried it on my kids, and wow, mashallah, it works like wonder. I can see that yes, they still get their flare up, but it won't last for so long. Like they will flare up in the morning, and then in the evening, it gets better because I try to have this kind of diet like almost every day. And then of course I also add things like Japanese sweet potato, coriander that can help to fight the infections. And then of course some food, like you said, although it's not processed food, but can affect or our allergies, for example like gluten and dairy products. Those are the foods that I try to avoid as well, especially during flare up. So instead of like pasta, because before this I love to give the kids pasta, because normally kids, they love pasta.
Yes.
Yeah. So instead of that, I try to replace with rice-based noodles. And they love it as well. And my 3-year-olds don't even know the difference between pasta and rice based noodles. Like she's still calling the rice
As
based
long as
noodles.
it looks like rice or it looks like noodle or pasta, that works for them.
Exactly, yeah. So I realized that it helps in the flare up as well. And then of course, yeah, as for the skin barrier, what I do is to reduce the flare up. It's like what Dr. Alvin said, and also what Johada shared at the beginning of the session, right? To identify the triggers, yeah, because different of us has different triggers. For example, like my first one, her trigger is heat, right? So when the trigger is heat, what I try to prevent that from happening. So I always make sure that she's hydrated, and sometimes I have 100% coconut juice at home, to make sure that she's hydrated. And then whenever we go out, we'll bring kipas, the portable small fan, to basically avoid her from flaring up. And then but then sometimes it still happen. When it still flares up, I try to manage the itch, because I believe doctor also will agree that, you know, when you're having that flare up, and then the first thing that you will tend to do is you scratch lah, right? Because
Yes, 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 yes.
to do, yeah. When it comes to kids, it's even harder for us to control them scratching, right? So what I'll do is I'll apply, or first of all, I cleanse. I do the cleansing, and thank God we have the super soothing hydrating cleanser.
So
I
this
love,
one, right? The cleanser.
yes.
Yeah. So she tried this one. If you want this for free, you can redeem it for free on the QR code on the top left. Okay, Damir, can continue what you use with the Butts organic product.
Sure. So okay, so especially when I come back from outdoor, right? So we'll take a shower with the cleanser, and when she calms down, you know, her skin feels fresh. Even I use it for myself. You know, our skin after shower, our skin will feel fresh, and then soft, and then it reduces the itchiness, right? It calms the body. And then after cleansing, then as usual, I put moisturizer lah. Again, for this one, I use the super soothing rescue lotion. That is like my favorite
This one.
of all. I even bought the big
The big one. Wow. So it's really good, guys. If you guys want this, you guys should can redeem on the QR code on the top left for free. You will get 2 of these super soothing hydrating cleanser and the super soothing rescue lotion. Okay.
Yeah. So I believe the prebiotics and the easy clear ingredients in the lotion, super soothing rescue lotion, helps in reducing the itchiness. Because the other day, my daughter had was scratching on her face because she was really irritated, and then I was like, okay, wait, don't scratch, try not to scratch, like hold my hand, and then like I tried to cleanse her face, and then I applied the lotion immediately, and then alhamdulillah, like she said, oh, I don't feel itchy anymore, ma. Macam this is not coming from me, but
coming from a kid. They don't know how to lie. That means it's really good. It means it works for them, right?
Yes, alhamdulillah. And yeah, it was a great relief lah to us mother when we see kids stop scratching, right? And of course to father as well, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So you're talking about it's a relief for you as a mother. So we're talking more on about your mental health. So how is this eczema flare affecting your mental health? Because I saw some of the mothers asking like, how do you bring kids with eczema outside? Because sometimes, you know, environmental factor like Dr. Alvin said just now might trigger them. So they might have eczema flare up outside. So how do you deal with it as a mother? And you know, how do you handle this? Are you doing okay, and how do you cope with this?
At the initial phase, of course, it wasn't okay for me, but alhamdulillah, as you know, as time goes past, just let's ask ourselves, what makes us moms worry and have that fear? It's normally because we don't know, right? Or we are uncertain about so many things, like, oh my god, is it going to get better soon, or is it something like a disease? Do I have to be worried about it, like, oh no, those kind of things. But as you know more about what is eczema, that it's quite common, that it's because of the genetic, it's not because of, you didn't breastfeed your child fully.
Yes.
Right? It's not your fault, it's not because of your fault. And it can be managed, you feel better, right? So I believe that understanding better about eczema, what is actually eczema, and how you can actually manage it, can really help to reduce that worry and anxiety. And of course, have an eczema buddy, I call it. Meaning that, have a mom who's also going through similar.
Experiencing the same thing as you.
Yes, exactly.
I saw on the comment section from Hannah Dewi Rosalina. She's answering to Jasmine Liu. Jasmine Liu asked, "Is there any support group for eczema parents?" So there's actually a support group. If you guys want to join, it's called MESC, Malaysia Eczema Support Community. Can we have that pin so that more parents can join? The ones that have eczema babies.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
Yes, and you guys can
Yeah.
also join butt support group. They also have butt support group. Yes, I forgot to mention them. Can we pin the butt support group as well for eczema parents, eczema babies parents? You can also join them. And yes, like Damira told us just now, you can find another buddy that is experiencing the same issue as you, so that we don't feel alone. Sometimes in our crowd we don't have the eczema people, but we have someone online that we can relate to. You can
So I
join.
just want to echo Damira, what Damira have mentioned just now. I think, well, it is very important. I also see some questions regarding whether this eczema is hereditary, is it passing down? To be honest, there is no actually link of passing down, but what we found out that the risk factors is higher with someone in the family who has eczema, and your child or your child will get eczema. That's a high the other population. So there is no directly like hereditary causes. But the other thing is about flare out the irritants, and actually studies have found that a few things that is commonly causing irritants. Like everybody was asking about the dry weathers, the pollutants. Like now we have haze. It's known to be causing flare ups. The fabrics or clothing materials, sometimes wool, synthetic materials, polyesterine, all these can cause irritants to the skin. Of course, skincare product that is contains of a lot of fragrance or a lot of animal or plant proteins sometimes can cause flare-outs as well. Of course, like just now we say smoke and pollutants, soap and detergent as well. Some soap contains of fragrance, some detergent that you use to wash the clothes as well contains of fragrance, also can cause flare out. And also importantly, the emotional well-being. We know that stress itself can cause flare out or eczema. Of course, our children's stress is due to our stress as well. Maybe we are very stressed, indirect channel to our babies, our child. So that also actually can cause a lot of flare. Those are the irritants that you probably want to think of. And just now about the treatment, I would like to highlight that about steroids. I know that a lot of course, every parents, we don't want our children, if possible, to have steroids to treat for eczema. That is why the prevention it's more important. That is what this whole webinars is about, right? To teach us how to prevent it. But if let's say your child does need steroids after seeing a pediatrician or dermatologist, then it is very safe to be using steroids under guidance. I would say that so just to make every parents to feel relief a bit, because if not, we will all become very phobia about steroids, because steroid did do important jobs in skin inflammation. But the trick is you have to follow doctor's instruction and to follow, because that to prevent it to get all the complications or what you are worrying on the complication of. So it is important to listen to the doctors and follow the instruction if you are using steroids. There is no exactly duration like how long you should be used or stopped, but as long as you're under guidance, under surveillance by doctors, that is quite safe, I would say.
Thank you so much, Dr. Alvin. Okay, just now we were talking about Butt's Organic Eczema Support Group. If you can see, there's a QR code with the link there. So you can just scan the QR code and you can join the Butt's Organic Eczema Support Group. So you can find your eczema parents buddies as well. Hopefully, this will be helpful for you. And if you have any friends that are experiencing the same a problem as you, having eczema babies or eczema children, you can definitely send them this QR code to them so that they can join and get support. Okay, do we have any other questions from the floor? I think we have this one from Maureen Lam, does staying away from sun help in eczema? Dr. Alvin, can you answer this one?
Like I said, extreme weathers, sweats, causing sweats, or very dry weathers, does cause, these are the irritants and does cause flare up. That is
Mm-hmm.
why if we are in a tropical country, we know that we are 24/7 very hot. So that is
Yes.
why the choice of the fabric is important. So we always tell the parents that wear something lightweight, cotton base to make sure that the skin easily breathe, so that you don't get very damp, sweaty
Mm,
kind of thing to irritate the things. The other thing is turning on the aircon. I would like to say that aircon itself, the cold air, is causing low humidity, which is very dry. That also can further dry up the skin as well. So
mm.
using aircon also have to be moderate. You need to be know that excessive aircon also become an irritant to the skin as
Yes,
well.
yes, it will make your skin very dry, right?
Yes. So the other thing is showering. So we know that because our Asian, we shower 3 to 4 times. Even our children, we shower 2 times, right? To three
Yes,
times.
yes, yes.
So if children who has eczemas, when you are showering, probably you want a short and warm water instead of using hot water that can flare as well, or playing the tub for too long will cause problem as well.
Mm-hmm.
So a short and lukewarm water, that is the best. And
Mm-hmm.
also don't forget moisturizing. Like I said, the skin barrier, the only way to prevent loss of moisture, to prevent the irritants is by moisturizing your skin. So you probably want to do moisturizer 2 to 3 times a day. At least after every bath, you have to moisturize the skin.
Mm. Okay, we have a lot of questions asking about allergy tests. So, do they need to do allergic tests since their children have eczema? And is it how to say? Do you need to do allergy tests so that you can avoid the allergens and the triggers?
Okay, so to be honest, eczema is more like a clinical. That means when the doctors see the location of the rashes, the rash pattern, then they can actually easily diagnose it is eczema. You don't really need a test, a skin prick test, or any blood test to diagnose. But if we understand that actually some food allergies and eczema does link, especially their infancy and when they are early childhood period. So these are the group that sometimes the doctors might want to do some tests. But being said so, I want everybody to understand the concept that is eczema doesn't cause food allergies. Okay,
Ah, okay.
but um, a patient who has food allergy doesn't cause eczemas. Okay,
Mm,
food
okay.
allergies doesn't cause eczemas.
It's two different things. Food allergy is food allergy. Eczema flare up
Yes,
is a different thing.
yes. So we there is not enough data link the food allergies and eczemas. But
Mm,
children who has eczemas has a higher risk of getting food allergies.
ah,
So
okay.
in the general population, 10% of the children will have food allergies. But if your child has eczemas, they are increased threefold. That means 30% of eczema child will have food allergies.
Mm-hmm.
Whether to be sure, of course, you have to make sure that there is no external irritants that cause a flare. So parents are very sure after my child eat that particular food, then develop flare. So
Ah,
if you want to
okay.
confirm that, of course, you can do some skin tests and blood tests, but generally we don't. But if you're very sure, because always there is a lot of confounding factors, right? It can be hot
Mm-hmm.
weather together with new
Yes.
food, it can be introducing a 2, 3 new foods together. So it is
Mm-hmm.
if parents are very clear, mom are very clear, this particular food, if I eat this, my child definitely will get flare. Then you might want to consult a doctors to confirm, because if you decided to avoid, your child probably will avoid it forever, right? You won't
Yes,
probably
yes, yes.
provide that. So you might put your child in lack of nutrition on certain
Mm-hmm.
proteins. Yeah. So you might want to be more careful on that. So
Mm-hmm.
we're talking about common food allergies, those like eggs, peanuts, wheat, soy. These are the common things can cause allergies and eczemas. And if you have eczemas together with poor weight gain, or any diarrhea problem, then you might want to see a doctor immediately. That's are all the warning signs that you might want to find a professional to help out to sort out these problems.
Okay, if you guys are having problem with eczema as well, you can see the experts if your baby have a problem in gaining weight, but there is no correlation between food allergy and eczema. Okay, so if you guys are hesitant about introducing food to their diet or cutting off a certain type of food to your baby, there's no need to. You just have to identify what food flares up your baby's eczema. Okay, hopefully that answers one of your question. And we have another question for Damira from Jasmine Liu. So the itchiness caused by eczema make it difficult for my children to fall asleep and stay asleep. So it will lead to fatigue and other problems. So what should I do? Can you share like what did you do whenever your daughter is having a flare up at night? Do you put on mittens on them, or do you have any other suggestions or anything to share with the audience?
All right. So normally what I do is our routine every day is okay. After they came back from the playground, I will make sure that they go straight away. I mean, like they will drink some water, because I know that my the main trigger for my kid, especially the first one, is heat, right? So I'll make sure that she'll drink water enough after playing outdoor, and then after that, I'll make sure that she go to the to go get her shower, right? And cleanse herself like betul-betul, not just like mandi kebal. Some kids, they just go to the shower for 5 minutes and then come out, right? So what I'll do is I'll make sure that she really cleanses herself. And like what Dr. Alvin said as well, not too long, make sure it's not hot shower. And then after she got off, again, I'll make sure that she must moisturize herself. I'll ask her, because she's already 6 years old, to apply it herself. It has been like a routine for her. So I'll ask her whether she has applied the moisturizer to herself or not. And then get dinner, and then immediately after that, I'll make sure that she go to sleep. And one of the things that help her to sleep is, it depends on the child. Some child, they feel calm when we read to them. Some child, they feel calm when we sing to them, right? So it depends on the child on what can make them feel calm. Yeah. And then after that, make sure that one of the things that I realized as well is screen time. Try not to have screen time before bedtime.
Yes, it will make it very hard for them to fall asleep, right? All the lights.
Actually, and for some reason, they'll get like
overstimulated and doesn't want to go to sleep.
Cause stress.
Yeah.
Indirect stress to the babies and mom.
Yeah.
So no screen time before bedtime. So straight to bedtime, like some reading. And then if I realize that, okay, at night, normally my kids will, scratch on the affected areas, I will bandage those parts, So after moisturize, before sleep, I'll moisturize again. Especially if, during the flare-ups, I'll moisturize again. So after mandi, I'll moisturize. Before sleep, I moisturize again before bandage.
Okay. So you put on bandage on them after moisturize.
Yeah. Because at nighttime, because of the aircon, also like we said, because of the aircon, it will get dry up. So that's why I put another layer of moisturizer before they go to sleep of the affected area and bandage it. Yeah. So and normally, I will always stand by some water for them at night. So, but basically that's the routine that we have every day to my kids. For my kids.
So lots of moisturizing, and you have to know what calms your baby down, what calms your children down, and having a good bedtime routine, avoiding screen time, having quiet time is really good. So hopefully that answers the question. And for the lotion,
Can I echo a bit on the treatment part on
yeah,
the
sure.
itchiness?
Yes,
So
yes.
of course, I think that that's what Damira have mentioned. That's all very true. What I can add on is probably you want to have a cold. If probably you have a very big areas that is very itchy, you want to do a cold compress. You can use a clean towel, soak in a cold
Ah,
water, then you put on top of the flare area. Then after you remove it, immediately put a moisturizer on top of it. So the
oh,
cold actually can actually help you to reduce some itch. That is actually something like a wet wrap that was done in a hospital setting, but at home because you can't wrap the whole body yourself. I
yeah,
probably you don't know how to do it, but this is one of the simple way that you probably can do it at home. The other thing is of course after besides putting it after shower or lukewarm water, then you put a thick layer of petroleum gel, kind of thick ointment instead
Ah,
of
okay, okay,
cream or
okay.
lotion, because we understand that definitely moisturizing by thicker like ointment base will actually help to
Mm-hmm.
reduce itch as well. It's more effective compared to cream and lotion in that instance. The other way is actually to actually distract your child. So we know that sometimes we are very focusing on the itch, it can become more itch, right? So by distracting your child, reading a book, having a bedtime story, play peekaboo, all these little games actually distract them for focusing on the itchy part. And also studies also found out that if you tap or pinch on the area that
It's
nearby
not
the
flare up, yeah.
eczema, this help to reduce the itch. Somehow,
Oh,
I think it's more like a psychological way of doing it. Like, so you either tap, like this is the itchy part, you probably want to tap here, or you just gently pinch a bit just to distract the child. Yeah, that actually is a way of doing it. Of course, that is one of the more remedies that we can do at home. Of course, in medicine, we probably can give some antihistamines if some children who have very bad itchy problem. We usually sometimes doctors will prescribe some antihistamines just to reduce the itch. Of course, some products nowadays with advancements of technology, a lot of good moisturizing products contains of different ingredients that can help to reduce the itch and calm the itch as well. So that's something that you might want to ask your doctors and ask around to get to know, and probably can help to reduce the itch as well. That means a moisturizing together with the anti-itch in a product kind of thing. Yeah.
that's nice. That's nice to know. By the way, does it work for adult as well?
Yeah, yeah,
All
it
the
does. It
compress and
does.
everything.
Yeah,
Oh, it
yeah.
does. I can use it on
Both,
my
yeah.
husband because he often get eczema flare up, but he's already, he's been living with that his whole life, so he doesn't care about it anymore. So I think it's really good whenever he flares up, we can put a cold compress, and you can use petroleum gel on it to seal out all the moisture, right, after you using the lotion.
Yeah, I think that's a tricky part if you have a children who has all these itchy problem, because sometimes they're too young, they can't tell you, they just cry
Yes,
non-stop,
yes.
very unconsolable. You get stressed out, the baby
Yeah.
gets stressed out, everybody gets stressed out in the family. You don't know what they want, they don't know what can they want get from you. That kind of frustration. So that's definitely more tricky compared to having an adult with a
Having
sibling.
adult, yes. We know what we want. They don't know what they want, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Sometimes they
yeah.
don't know how to cry. So if
Yeah.
you guys are having the same issue, the ones that Damira is talking about and the ones that Dr. Alvin is talking about, you can join the butt support group. We will put on the pop-out for the support group if you want to join, and you definitely can get a lot of benefits from Butts Organics Eczema Support Group. Thank you so much, Dr. Alvin and Damira, for today. If you guys want to try the lotion, Super Soothing Rescue Lotion, the ones that Damira said she tried and she already bought the full bottle of it. This one can be used on a daily basis. And if you want to redeem this for free, you can definitely click the QR code on the top left. Okay, it's valid for 24 hours only. You can redeem the free but super soothing mini pack worth 69 ringgit 30 cents. Thank you so much, Dr. Alvin and Damira. It's been a very, very fruitful
Thank
discussion for
you.
today. Thank you so much. You guys can follow them on Instagram, Dr. Alvin Pung, and also Umi today. And thank you so much, everyone, for being here with us today. Say bye-bye to Dr. Alvin, also Puanda Mira. Thank you so much, guys. See
Thank
you guys.
you. Good night.
Bye,
Bye,
everyone.
Shan.
Okay, we're gonna move on to our pop quiz. Are you ready for our next pop quiz? Don't forget to share this live out to increase your chances of winning the ZERA Care Box, which consists of these 4 products. Okay, pop quiz time. The second pop quiz of the day is: what is the tagline for Bud's Super Soothing Organics range? Is it A, natural, safe, mild, and effective, or B, natural, safe, mild, and protective, or C, natural, safe, mild, and preventative? Okay, I've already mentioned this tagline a few times in this live. So if you guys know the answer, oh, I think a lot of you guys answer A. Do we have a winner for this question? Oh, a lot of you guys answer A. Is the answer A? Okay, a lot of you guys answer A. So we have a winner for tonight. We have... well, a lot of you guys answer A. Some answer B. So we have the winner for tonight. We have Liu Yifang. Congratulations. Liu Yifang answer A, natural, safe, mild, and effective. That is the tagline for Bud's Super Soothing Organics range. Congratulations, Liu Yifang. Congratulations, you got all of these for free. Hopefully you enjoy the ZERA Care Box that you will receive soon. Don't forget to tag ZERA and also Bud's Organics once you receive the products. Okay, now we're gonna go up close and personal on Bud's Organics. We have Bud's Organics Commercial Director, Mr. Raymond. He's also a pharmacist himself, so he will be telling you guys on how to use these products and talking more on Bud's Super Soothing Organic range. Can we bring in Mr. Raymond?
Hello.
Hello, hello.
Hello, everyone. Hello.
How are you?
It's always me. I'm good. It's always been the most difficult part, yeah, and to be the last speaker and getting all the attention. Just I'm studying between night sleep, and so I will try my best. Yeah, I will sometimes to do it, and going straight into 3 points.
Dr. Raymond, I think we're losing connection on him. I think we have some technical difficulties. He will be back with us. In the meantime, don't forget to share this live to your friends. Mr. Raymond, are you there?
Yep. Okay. Yes, I'm here. Can you hear me?
I lost you a bit just now.
Oh, okay. All right. So,
Okay.
I'm not too sure. Yeah, is my can I have my slides up? Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sure.
Okay. Okay, so while waiting for the slides up, so I think the the pivotal or the what do you call the fundamentals, that in Bud's Organics, when we actually create these creams, we always have the patient in mind, and we look at in terms like the patient journey. I think eczema itself is a journey, a journey for. Because as we know that 90% of the kids up to 5 years will get eczema, 20% of them, and 90% of them is actually coming less than 5 years and below, and 10% from the adults. So if you look at it, when we look at it, environmental, especially in today's term, the harsh weather, the pollutions, these are actually not helping the people or us, where our biggest organ of the body, the skin, is being exposed to this environment. And we talked about, Dr. Alvin was mentioning also about inheritance. Okay, yes, in terms of the genetic part, it does not actually have a lot of data to show that it's actually inherited from the family. But if you have a mom or dad who has that, chances of a child of having asthma or even atopic dermatitis or eczema, okay, will be at a higher chance. But nevertheless, the environment will actually causes some changes in the genetics. Okay, but what I mean is like it will change it to a person to be more sensitive to the environment, and you get the information. So if anything that you want to take home from this message here is information is key, and that is the start of where you get the itch. So our creams, okay, as thank you very much, for the testimonial in terms of you like it, the cream, the texture. It was carefully crafted because between the cream and the ointment and the lotion, okay, we it all depending on the stages of your child having the eczema. So for severe cases, you have the intensive care repair cream. Okay, and that would actually help you to retain the water or the moisture, being lost from the skin, so that you're being kept hydrated. So when you kept hydrated, what will happen is like it actually helps you to calm the inflammation process. So when the inflammation goes down, it will automatically, the skin barrier will strengthen. That will actually help you to protect, okay, from moisture loss. And then at the same time, okay, the skin will actually be promoted for a healing process. So it actually helps you repair. And the final part of the cream, okay, as we when we look at the Buds Organics part, is actually the prevention part. So you have the probiotics, okay, that is actually added in, and this is very important, especially for mothers who actually who undergone cesarean instead of vaginal birth, right? And because children coming from the cesarean would actually have more the microorganism or the bacteria called Staphylococcus aureus, and that is a very nasty bug. And most of the time, this bug would actually causes flare-ups. All right, so that will also lead to, we talk about cleansing. Yeah, cleansing is very important. So our products is really mild, okay, and it actually have they keep the the moisture of the body. So you can actually use the cleanser, okay, without worrying that you have a child, that really actually causes or leading them for a more dry skin. Yeah. So that is actually in the context of Buds Organics. So if I can just jump, because I'm just looking at the time, if you can go to this slide, I think I have the next slide, please. Yeah. So this will actually summarize, okay, what we call the easy clear steps with prebiotics. So if it will all depending if how the severe, that meaning that if your child having a whipping wound, then the intensive care repair would be the best. All right, so you actually want to keep control of the inflammation, and I will say that do not shy away with steroid at that particular moment for the severe part. Okay, when it happens, you really need something to really bring the inflammation down as fast as possible, right? So because it's like when we start to use it, sparingly, and then with 2 weeks you can actually get control. But if you start to use it sparingly and only for 5 days, chances of them not being controlled entirely, it will actually recur. So that is very important to remember. So even you have the cream, okay, to moisturize, you need to arrest the inflammation, because inflammation is the one that breaks down the wall of the skin. Okay, so when the skin is actually broken down, so you can imagine if you are faced with harsh environment, and the pollutants, the allergens will start going into the skin and under the skin, and it causes and aggravate more inflammation. Okay, so in order to prevent that, that you first you calm the skin, protect it, and then how it's being protected, the cream would actually help to strengthen the skin barrier, and then it will also they help to promote wound healing, and finally, with the prebiotics on top of the skin, it actually helps to promote more good bacteria on the skin, so that you reduce the number of the bad bacteria. Yeah. So then, and reducing the bad bacteria, what will happen is you will actually reduce the flare-ups. Yeah. Because as you know that I'm sure parents like everyone else, right? It's really heart-wrenching to see a kid that just scratch and it bleeds. Yeah, especially when they are actually sleeping. So, and you yourself also would actually would like to have a good night's sleep. Yeah. So we hope that Buds Organics products would actually help to fulfill this unmet need. First, to control and to help your child to feel that they are back in control. They can do the things that they would like to do as a normal child, right? And for the parents, you have a good night's sleep. All right. Okay. So that will be a quick summary on Buds Organics.
Thank you so much, Raymond.
You're most welcome. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Raymond, for being here. That is the Buds Organics Commercial Director, Raymond. And stay tuned and don't forget to share this live out because we will have another pop quiz. And if you guys are ready, we will move on to the next one. Okay, this is the last pop quiz for tonight. Are you guys ready? So, okay, this is the second pop quiz. We will wait for the admin to move on to the third pop quiz. Let's just hang on there. And can I get, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready, Chelsea Tan. Okay, we have the last pop quiz. So which is not the product in Buds Super Soothing Organics range? A. Super Soothing Intensive Repair Cream. B. Super Soothing Rescue Lotion. Or C. Super Soothing Save Our Skin Lotion. Which one is not the product in Buds Super Soothing Organics range? So I've mentioned this 4 products in the range, and I've mentioned each one of it. So which one is not one of the product in the range? Do we have a winner? Oh, Norhayati answer A. Angeline LH or also answer A. Sherry Wang also A. Are you sure? If you listen closely to what Mr. Raymond said just now, you would know. Chelsea Tan answered C. Nur Shahida Mokhtar also answers C. Do we have a winner for tonight? Oh, a lot of you guys answer A. Is it true? Super Soothing Intensive Repair Cream. I wonder. Do we have a winner for the last pop quiz? I think we do have a winner. We have Nur Shahida Mokhtar. Congratulations. C is not one of the range in Buds Super Soothing Organics range. Okay, it's not. We have 4 of them. We have Super Soothing Deep Moisturizing Cream, which is this one. And then we also have the Super Soothing Intensive Repair Cream. And we have the cleanser. Also, we have the Rescue Lotion. Congratulations, Nur Shahida Mokhtar, for snatching the last ZERA Care Box for today. You won 4 of these. Don't forget to tag ZERA and also Buds Organic when you receive the ZERA Care Box. So if you guys want to redeem the Super Soothing Hydrating Cleanser and also the Super Soothing Rescue Lotion, you can redeem it for free by just clicking scanning on the QR code on the top left of the slide. Okay, can you see on the screen? It's only valid for 24 hours. You can see the pop-up there. It's only available for 24 hours up until tomorrow at 8 p.m. and then no more free. Okay, you have to pay. So these 2 are all for free. Okay, and also you can join the giveaway contest to win the ZERA Care Box, which consists of this before. Okay, thank you so much everyone for being here with us today. This ZERA Talks is brought to you by Butts Super Soothing Organics by Butts Organics. So these are all steroid-free, eco-cert certified, and it's all natural. Okay, guys. So you guys should get this, and you guys can subscribe to ZERA by just 8 ringgit per month. You can stand a chance to get one of these products from Buds. This is so cool. I mean, like, it's not sticky. Just now I didn't wash the cleanser and it's not sticky at all. And also the cream, the repair cream, the lotion, everything is nice, and you should try it for eczema, because I personally myself also have eczema, although it's not often, but this is so suitable. And if you guys want to join the eczema support group by Buds Organic, you can also scan the pop out there, the scan QR code, and then you can get the support that you need as an eczema parent. I know it's hard, to find support even as parents yourself, but having a child with eczema is definitely not easy. Okay, if you guys want to win the ZERA giveaway, which consists of this 4 products, be sure to follow these steps. The first one is to like and follow ZERA Mom Official and Butts Organic on both Facebook and Instagram. The second one is to tag your friends in the post, and then the link is on the description box below, and you have to tag your friends and share this live. Okay, the more you tag, the more chances of you winning. Remember, 2 friends tag per comment equals to 1 entry, and you have unlimited entry. Okay, you can comment as much as you want, which will increase the chances of you winning. Okay, you can refer the description box down below to know more on this. Remember, contest ends 11th of October 2023 at 11:59 p.m., which is at midnight. Okay, so winners will be announced on 12th of October 2023 at 8 p.m. So I wish you all good luck. If you want to win the ZERA Care Box with all these products from Butts, you can definitely join the giveaway. Thank you so much, everyone, for being here, and we will see you again for the next ZERA Talk. Goodbye, everyone.